Welcome. If you've ever wanted to check your search history on Facebook but aren't sure how to find it after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to view your searched history on Facebook using your PC. Let's get started. First, open your preferred internet browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This section is where Facebook stores all your account controls and privacy settings. After you click, a new menu will appear. Here, you'll want to select Activity Log. The Activity Log is a powerful tool that lets you see everything you've done on Facebook, from posts you've liked to comments you've made, and yes, even your search history. Once you're inside the Activity Log, look at the left-hand side of the screen. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Your Search History. Click on it, and just like that, you'll see a list of everything you've searched for on Facebook. This includes people, pages, groups, and anything else you've typed into the search bar. If you want to clear your search history, you can do that here too. Just look for the Clear Searches option at the top of the list, and with one click, your search history will be wiped clean. And that's it. With these quick steps, you can easily access and manage your Facebook search history on your PC, even after the latest update. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.